Today we're answering a very important scientific question that has puzzled humanity for centuries. Do dogs dream? Or are they just running a marathon in their sleep for no reason? Spoiler alert. Yes, dogs dream. And honestly, some of them dream harder than I do after eating Taco Bell at midnight. Do dogs actually dream? Scientists have studied dog sleep using brain scans, and guess what? Dogs go through the same sleep stages humans do, including REM sleep, the stage where dreaming happens. So when your dog is twitching, kicking the air, making tiny squeaky barks, or doing that weird ghost chewing thing, they're not glitching, they're dreaming. And yes, your Chihuahua is probably dreaming about fighting a bear and winning. What do dogs dream about? Dogs dream about their daily life, just like we do. Examples: running, because they think they're Olympic athletes; playing fetch, even though they never bring the ball back; chasing squirrels, the dog version of "I almost had that promotion"; eating, especially if you have a Labrador ewe. Yes, you appear in their dreams like a celebrity cameo. Small dogs dream more often, but their dreams are shorter. Large dogs dream less often, but their dreams last longer. So a Great Dane dreams like a full-length movie, while a Yorkie dreams like a TikTok clip. Do different breeds dream differently? Absolutely. Border Collies dream about solving problems and hurting things, probably hurting you into the kitchen to get snacks. Beagles dream about smells. Their dreams are basically scratch and sniff adventures. German Shepherds dream about protecting the house, even though the biggest threat is the Amazon delivery guy. Bulldogs dream about, honestly, I think they dream about naps. They dream about sleeping while they're sleeping. Chihuahuas dream about being 200 pounds and feared by all. Dogs dream what they do, what they love, and what they obsess over. One fun fact: puppies dream more than adult dogs because they're still learning about the world. Their brains replay everything, even the first time they saw a leaf and thought it was a deadly enemy. Can dogs have nightmares? Yes. Dogs can have nightmares. And no, it's not because they watched a horror movie with you. Dogs get nightmares for the same reasons humans do. Stress, fear, bad experiences, loud noises, traumatic events, like bath time. When your dog whimpers, growls softly, or curls tighter in their sleep, they might be dreaming about the vacuum cleaner chasing them. That one time you pretended to throw the ball but didn't. The vet, obviously, the mailman, who they believe is a recurring villain. But here's the important part: do not wake a dog during a nightmare. Just like humans, they can wake up confused or scared. Instead, gently talk to them. Hey buddy, it's okay. The vacuum isn't real. It can't hurt you. Most dogs calm down because they recognize your voice even while dreaming. So yes, dogs dream. They dream about you, their toys, their adventures, their snacks, and their heroic battles against squirrels. Next time your dog twitches in their sleep, don't wake them. They're probably in the middle of saving the neighborhood from a raccoon uprising. Give them a pat when they wake up and say, "Good job, buddy. I'm proud of you. You saved us again."
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.